Is it time to buy or sell Occidental stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Occidental. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 2nd of October, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of October, 2025, our system has ranked Occidental as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 7.6% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 7.6% to 17.41%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 14.95%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 38.51% to negative 7.7% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $27.20 and $40.82. Our latest daily update for Occidental includes the headline, Occidental stock price took a fall of 7.31% on Thursday. The Occidental stock price fell by 7.31% on the last day, Thursday, the 2nd of October 2025, from $47.72 to $44.23. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.31%, ranging from a low of $43.84 to a high of $47.92. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 6.61% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 35 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk could slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 44 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.94 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $56.49, while the lowest price reached $34.78. Currently, the price is 21.7%, or $12.26 below the 52-week high, and 49.55%, or $43.44, below the all-time high on the 7th of June, 2018, when the price peaked at $87.67. Occidental Petroleum has reached an agreement to sell its OXY petrochemical unit to Berkshire Hathaway for $9.7 billion. This transaction is anticipated to finalize in the fourth quarter. CEO Vicky Hollub mentioned that this divestiture will provide the company with capital to reinvest in its core oil and gas operations. She also noted that Occidental can replace the cash flow lost from this unit in approximately 2.5 years. The markets responded with immediate pressure on the stock as investors process the impact of losing a cash-generating, non-upstream business, incorporating the financial implications of this transaction into their near-term earnings projections. In the short term, expect heightened volatility. Decreased revenue and transitional costs may affect quarterly results, leading to downside risks or cautious guidance until the proceeds from the buyout are utilized. Over the longer term, this divestiture streamlines Occidental's asset base, enhances focus on upstream cash returns, and provides management with the flexibility to reduce debt, accelerate stock buybacks, or increase drilling activities. These strategic moves could significantly enhance free cash flow and shareholder returns, provided that oil prices remain favorable. Berkshire's acquisition also acts as a vote of confidence in the deal's terms, which may help to reassure investors as the execution of the agreement unfolds. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 2nd of October, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital gave Occidental Petroleum a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 15th of September, 2025, it was reported that UBS gave Occidental Petroleum a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank gave Occidental Petroleum a sector perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave Occidental Petroleum an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler gave Occidental Petroleum a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Occidental stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Occidental. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Occidental stock displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. On upward corrections, there will be notable resistance levels at $46.95 and $46.19. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, September 29, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 8.05%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 35 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 63 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Occidental. Occidental finds support from accumulated volume at $43.59. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.08 between its high and low, representing a change of 9.31%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.07%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Occidental, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 11th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 490,000. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Occidental. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Occidental is at $45.75. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Occidental encounters its first support level at $43.59. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Occidental from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 9th of May, 2025, when Carlos Gutierrez conducted an insider purchase of 3,723 shares of common stock. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and no stop loss has been established. Is Occidental stock a good buy? The Occidental stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Occidental will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 3rd of October, we expect Occidental to open higher by $1.10, starting at $45.33. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.